Good morning and welcome back to the maths class. Dear children, we have been doing money and I showed you the wonderful money we have. I hope you have spoken with mummy and daddy about why we use money, how money is withdrawn from the ATM machine, whereas money is available at all times everywhere. Okay? Anytime money it is called. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go ahead quickly with the worksheet and the topic for the day because we need to finish this. Come to page number 149. Write today's date 9.3.21. This is counting money is the topic. Okay. You can often use counting in jumps when you need to count money. Remember we had done counting in jumps when we did with 2, 4, 5, 6. Let us count this in jumps. 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 8, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Answer is rupees 10. So 5 coins of 2 makes the number 10, which is rupees 10 we get. Now let's count again. 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25 makes the rupee 25. Now notes of 10, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. So we will write 40 here and 50. So what is the note? We actually, not the note, the amount that we have is 50 rupees. Okay. So this is how we are going to quickly go ahead and solve using jumps. Again, write the date on the next page. This is page number 150. 9.3.21. Dear children, we have a lot of practice that we go ahead and do. Make sure you are using this time to do the practice properly, because if the practice is not done, it clearly means that we will not be able to solve things the way we should be solving it. Okay, all of this will be coming for your mental ability also. I'm already informing you. Time, this, data handling, okay, all are oral chapters. When you have different amounts, start with the biggest amount first. 5, 2, 1, 1. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Rupee makes it 9. 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20. Plus 2, 22. 20 plus 10, 30. 31. 32. Answer is 3, 2, 32. Fill in the blanks. 15 rupees is written as, write the sign of rupee, 1, 5. 50 paisa is written as P. How do we write it? I had taught you here. See here, it will be 50 paisa. Okay. 100 rupee note is written as rupee 100. 20 rupee note is written as 20 rupees. Okay. Next page as well. Quickly write the date 9.3.21. Count how much money. So shall we do the counting together? Let's count. 5 plus 5, 10. 5, 15. 5, 20. 5, 25. 5, 30. 5, 35. Shall we count again? 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8 rupees, 8. 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is 19 rupees. 20, 25, 26. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. How much for each? Write the price on the tag. 10, 15, 16, 17. So the sharpener is for 17 rupees. 10, 15, 20. Chips are for 20 rupees. Lollipop, 10, 20, 25. Lollipop is for 25. 10, 12. Crayons are for 12 rupees. This is how the questions may be asked even for mental ability. Quickly we will do. You have an activity for the day also. On a paper you have to trace, take any coin and you have to trace the coin. Okay, that means you can just place a coin beneath the paper here and do this tracing like this and the whole coin shall appear. Okay, write your section, name, full name, roll number. Counting money, same thing. Here the money is not very clear, so count with Neha ma'am. Count how much money is there. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rupees. 5 plus 1, 6. 10 is 16 rupees. Write the value under each note or coin. This is rupees 1, rupees 100, rupees 10 and rupees 50. No paisa. How much is there for each? Write the price. 6 rupees for the ruler, 10, 12 rupees for the crayon, what we just did. Okay children, now tick the correct amount of money. For a cupcake which is of 15 rupees, what will be the correct amount? This is 10 rupee note, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. So this and this will make 15 rupees for cupcakes. 7 rupees ice cream, 5, 6, 7. 5 and 6, 7 will make 7 rupees. Match the following. 2 plus 10, 12. Match it here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rupee here. 10, 20, which is 30 here. 5 plus 5, 10 here. You need to take out 1 rupee and 5 rupee coin and do the tracing in the given box. Let me just, give me 1 minute. So I have a 2 rupee new coin like this which looks, and a 5 rupee also new coin like this it looks. You place the coin beneath the sheet like I have and start tracing it. So when we trace it like this, the details of the coin start appearing on the paper. As of now it is not very clear. You do it with even a lighter paper. Don't take this sheet, take another sheet. This is how we will finish our activity and complete everything. See you back in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.